I'm right on the edge now. If you're afraid of heights, I apologize. Check this out. Woo-hoo-hoo! 3,820 meters. Incredible. Nepal. Definitely, if you're spending time in Manang, come up to these lookout points. The Buddhist monastery just outside of town. You'll see it when you arrive. Good morning from Manang, Nepal. This is one of the final villages along the Annapurna Circuit, and this is one day in Manang and what you can expect if you're coming here on the Annapurna Circuit, or if you're genuinely interested in life at 3,540 meters, then it all starts right now. Let's no. Got to get the mountain framed up there. This is our first tip for the town of Manang in the Annapurna Circuit. If you are here with a full day, or if you got a bit of time, be sure to get up for sunrise and hike to the Annapurna lookout. It's only about 10 minutes from town, maybe 15 if you're a little bit slow. Really not very challenging at all. And you've got this amazing scene with a lake that you can't actually see, but there's sort of like a glacial lake just on the other side. And then this beautiful river that flows down, and a bridge right here makes for a perfect photography location if you're into landscape photography, which I'm sure you are because you're watching this video. And the Alpenglow has just started, so I got the 7200 down there, pointed right up at the peak, and I'm hoping to get a really nice time lapse of that light sort of cascading down the face. Absolutely perfect way to start our morning here in Manang. And we're back. We're back at the Telicho Hotel, and it's still pretty early, so I'm going to try and keep my voice down. But this is one of the hotels in Manang. There are tons and tons of hotels, but it's a really beautiful setup, and they've got hot water showers and Wi-Fi, which is amazing.
Good morning.
This is our guide Krishna, who's being really loud. There's people sleeping. Anyway, this is the spot, a beautiful hotel, and now it's time for me to get unpacked, have some breakfast, have some coffee, all the important things. Hello. Hi. Could I have a double espresso, please? It is bright and sunny here in Manang, a perfect day to be filming this vlog, and we need to get our day started with a chocolate Danish and a double espresso coffee from right here at the same hotel that we're staying. They have a bakery and cafe, and this actually seems to be kind of common here in Manang, that there's a couple different cafes and bakeries, and it's the first place you can get a real coffee on the Annapurna Circuit, at least that I've seen in the last 4 days trekking. So very nice to come up to this town at a really high altitude, and one of the last villages on the trek before crossing the pass, and be able to get such quality stuff is so perfect and a great way to start the day. So cheers to double espresso. Oh my gosh, that is so good, and a bit of energy with this Choco Danish. We have got perfect weather here in Manang, so it makes sense to utilize it and try and make the most of our day by doing a acclimatization hike. So I'm already a little bit out of breath, and that is because we're at 3,540 meters, but over the next 3 days we're going up to a pass that's 5,400 meters, so we really need to take advantage of this one day to do a couple of up and down hikes to get more altitude under our belt, so that's easier when we actually hit the pass in 2 days' time. Hey yak, hey yak, yakety yak, hey yak, hey yak, hey yak. And only about an hour outside of Manang, trekking straight up, we've made it to the second lookout point. This is sort of like a Buddhist trail marker, I guess, with these pagodas, these sort of like stone statues. The real monastery is up there on that cliff. This is 3,820 meters, and the monastery is up around 4,000. So this is really the perfect day to be acclimatizing before we hit Thorongla Pass. Thorongla. I'm right on the edge now. If you're afraid of heights, I apologize. Check this out. Woo-hoo-hoo! 3,820 meters. Incredible. Nepal. Definitely, if you're spending time in Manang, come up to these lookout points. The Buddhist monastery just outside of town. You'll see it when you arrive. Absolutely incredible location. We've made it to the third and final spot of our acclimatization day outside of Manang, which is way down there. If you can see it down in the valley, we're at about 4,000 meters right now, just shy of 4,000 meters, and feeling good. So I think that is good news for the next few days leading into the pass. But yeah, I would highly suggest coming up here if you're spending a day in Manang, if not only for these views, but also to get a bit of acclimatization under your belt. So yeah, it's time to sit back, enjoy the views, and have some water, chill, keep talking. Time to head back down. We found a really nice perch just up there at about 4,000, and took a page out of Thomas Heaton's book and did a nice panorama. So see, I am learning something on these photography workshops. It's not all about just documenting and creating some sweet B-roll for T-Heat and Mr. BBS. Yeah, I think I was able to create something really nice there. I'm excited to get it on the computer and get a nice edit. I think it's gonna look cool. And we're back. That was an awesome acclimatization mission. Really, really cool with some amazing views. Now it's time to chill for the afternoon, and then we're heading out for another smaller acclimatization hike to try and get some nice shots of sunset, and that will most likely be with Mr. BBS. Whoa! The afternoon, and we're back at it, this time heading to the other side of Manang town, to a ridgeline that's only about 250 meters above the 3,540 that the town sits at. And again, the idea is to acclimatize, get those lungs working for the next couple of days before we head over the Thorongla Pass, and also hopefully get another nice image or two. We had a banger sunset last night. I didn't mention that at the beginning, I probably should have, but check this out. that was something really special. So if we get light like that again tonight, we're in for another treat. Yeah, the idea is to explore another part of Manang, share it with you. And if you are planning on coming here, you've got 3 things you can do now in one day, not to mention just hanging out, having coffee and pastries and stuff in the town. And look, here's the lake. Whew. That's what we didn't see this morning at sunrise. At sunrise this morning we were shooting down there by that river, and now we're going up there to that ridge. It's over.
What?
This is the
You're
end
leaving me?
of the One Day in Manang video. So I hope that you've enjoyed it. For those of you that may be coming here to Manang for the Annapurna Circuit, this place is really cool. We highly suggest one day to be able to acclimatize, correct?
Yeah. That's my spot of this video. I'm out.
So 3 different spots just outside of the little village, and all of them really good for photography and for acclimatizing if you're looking to go over the pass. I know this video has been a little bit long, but there's a lot of really good information in there, and I hope that you have learned something. So as always, thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video, and I will see you on the next one. From high altitude, we're going up to 5,000 meters, somewhere off in the distance back there. It's going to be an incredible continuation of this adventure in Nepal, and I will see you there. Bye for now. Peace.